Hi guys, Dan and Caitlin here.
Another episode of Jodie's Explore.
Today we're in Harthope Valley and we're going to
Carey Burn Waterfall.
or Carey Burn, so yeah, let's go.
Well, isn't this a cracking little find?
It's a bit sketchy to get gas, but it's so worth it. It's such a hidden gem here. I've never been here before and I haven't actually heard of this place either.
No, never. We piggybacked this one off my cousin Tracy and Maria and your good friend
Lorna.
Lorna.
It's organised by Lorna.
Thanks for this little heads up. But what a cracking little place.
Yeah. Going to have a dip in.
She is. I have to hold the camera.
Any excuse.
Whatever. Once again, we've had the whole place to ourselves.
And the weather.
And the weather. Everywhere we go, we always take the weather with us.
And again, 10 out of 10, different spot.
Oh, it's a fantastic little place.
River deep, mountain high, yeah, yeah, yeah. Take me to the river, place me by the water.
Well, what another cracking adventure we've had today, and thank you for joining me. If you do like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. It costs nothing to subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, a lot of people think it costs, don't they?
It costs absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
But it really does help with the algorithm, and it gets you out there, and we can get some more done.
Yeah, definitely. And you know, even sometimes, even we feel like we don't even want to go out and just binge watch TV, and you know, some days that's absolutely fine to do, but I think life is so busy with commitments, stress, you know, you all know what's going on with the news and everything. It sounds really cliche, but it is so true. Like, just getting out in nature, you realise how still everything is. Nature is just in its own pace, own time, and it just reminds you just to come back to that. So I'd urge people just to get out when they can, really.
and make videos like this so we can sit at home and watch it
Yeah.
on the days we don't want to come
Yeah.
out.
It's the best kind of videos, man.
It is, because I sit at home and I watch content just the same. My favourite is my great friend Simon at Yonder Mountain Adventures. Big up, Simon.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. And like he would say, if this isn't prescription nature, I don't know what is.
Exactly. Also, I want to give a shout out to Lorna, who we mentioned earlier, because we both haven't actually heard of this place before. But Lorna has been doing, she does like women groups, so it's called the Nature Experience. I'll put it in the link in the description. And I've known Lorna for years, and she's just honestly the most loveliest lady ever. She gets women together, just bring that connection back and that sisterhood really, and getting out into nature.
And brotherhood.
Yeah. But yeah, it is a women's only group, but there's so many you know, what they call clubs, you know, whatever you want to call them, groups, all over the northeast. People come together, and I think it's really, really good.
It is. And just get yourself out and about. Look where we are today. We've managed to be on our own. You know, there's a few more vehicles here, but we've been on our own the entire journey. And just thanks again for joining me.
Yeah, thank you for watching.
Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment and share. See you on the next Jodie's
Bye.
Explore.